Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification bell on. That way you know when I post videos. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a spider look. It's really simple and easy. It doesn't take much time at all. And I did something like this last year. I'll post a picture right here. And I'm just going to see if I can improve my makeup look. Okay, so I did my face off of camera just because for this video we're going to be focusing more on the eyes for this look. Okay, for this look I'm going to be using the James Charles palette to create this look. And I'm going to start off by dipping into the shade Mary with the blending fluffy brush. And I'm going to put that in my crease. With the same brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Punch Me and putting it on top and blending it out even more. Taking the shade Boutique and putting it in my crease and buffing it out. Now I'm taking my Tarte Creaseless Concealer and cutting my crease halfway. Now I'm just setting that with a little bit of powder, that way the concealer doesn't transfer. Now I'm taking Boutique with the packing brush and packing that in my outer corner and blending it out. After that, I'm going to be taking the shade Ring Light and Sister and packing that right where we put the concealer. I'm taking a blending brush and blending that out. I'm going to clean my eyeshadow up with some concealer. I'm not going to put any eyeliner or mascara on yet just because I still have the other eye to do and I want to wait. For this eye, I'm going to be taking a packing brush and dipping into the shade Spooky, the black, and I'm going to be packing it all on my eyelid. Now I'm taking the same black and putting it on my under my eye. Yeah. And be careful, not this much. Okay, fixed it. Now I'm gonna be taking a blending brush and blending it out ever so slightly. Now that you've blended it out, it should look a little something like this. Now I'm going to be taking the small brush right here, and I'm going to be starting to draw out the legs. It should look something like that, and you're going to keep continuing to do that, making them all different angles until you have 8. now that we have all the legs drawn out, we're going to start drawing the shadows. The shadows should be darkest here and slowly lighten. Now I'm just taking black and going under again. I'm just taking some eyeliner and outlining the legs to give it a more bold look. Apply eyeliner and mascara. For my lips, I'm going to be applying this color. And you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't already, subscribe. And I'll see you next time.